You're alright. Now, a lot of you people go out and spend inordinate amounts of money paying someone to upgrade the RAM in your computer because it's a little bit old and you're ready to replace it anyway. And, well, this one was sitting here this morning after popping this riser board, the entire board, a couple of times and replacing the CMOS battery and popping all that shit back together. I discovered it really does have a bad real-time clock. But it's still semi-functional for the time being, and I'm basically going to strip it and throw it in the trash. But I figured, I might be able to help some people out. So, you don't really have to pay somebody to put RAM in. If you don't know what RAM to buy for your machine, you pop a stick out. In case you didn't see what I did, I moved that tab. I moved the tab on the far side. Let me zoom in on that. Maybe that'll help. Pop it out. Move that tab. I move that tab. Pop it out. Okay, so now you get the idea on that. And when I put them in, they only fit one way. If I try and put one in backwards, one side's shorter than the other. It just doesn't fit if you try and put them in backwards because there's a little notch right there in the slot that stops you from screwing up like that. And it's been that way ever since the days of SD. So now you see how easy it is to replace your own RAM. I mean, this one had 6 gigs in it, and now it's got 8. No real improvement, just it's got 8 now. And I prefer matched RAM. And when you select your RAM, let me zoom this back out so it doesn't defocus. When you select your RAM, they're all marked for speed. Like this one's marked DDR400 CL3 ECC, so I know it's an error correcting. That's all the ECC stands for. Some of them will be DDR400U or DDR400R or PC3200R, which is actually 333 instead of 400, but you get what I mean. And the PC2100 is 266, blah 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 ad nauseum. 200 was DDR1600, which is DDR200, same thing. So it's something to consider instead of paying, you can go on Kingston's, there's another idea. You can go on Kingston's website and look up by your machine. If you've got a retail machine, you can go on Kingston's website and look up by your machine what kind of memory you need. Just get their part number, and if you can't afford their prices, get their part number and then go on eBay and Amazon and buy used stuff, which I don't recommend, but you can usually beat Kingston's vendor prices just by going on Amazon or eBay and get brand new stuff. The used stuff floats around a lot too. I just don't trust used stuff. Me and whoever's behind me has the budget to make sure that I have new stuff whenever I want it. That's how easy it is to change your RAM out. And that's pretty much any computer. So hopefully I've saved somebody some money. If not, oh well, at least my heart's in the right place. I'm trying to help folks out because there's no sense going to the local computer shop and paying somebody $100 for an hour, they're going to charge you for the full hour anyway. And that's something you can do yourself. I mean, it's ridiculously easy. And granted, I picked a Sun, but everything around here is either Sun or HP or IBM, which are classy machines inside when you get into their business class machines. It's not like they're retail pieces of shit. These are all easy to work on. They're all designed for, they're designed for 24-hour service, but they're designed to where if something does go wrong, you can get in, get it fixed quickly, and get the hell out. And even HP's retail machines, big deals. You got to remove a couple of wires out of the way. You don't even have to unplug them to get to the RAM. Dell, I just don't recommend those to anybody. I wouldn't recommend those to my worst enemy. And nor Gateway or E-Machines, which really is the same company. But we're not going to get into that. We showed you how to change RAM. That was the point of this video. That's done. We'll holler at y'all fuckers and fuckheads later.